Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More and standing outside a fix and flip we purchased last week. So we'll go over the numbers, everything on this property, show you what it looks like. This property had a squatter in it when we made the offer, and we're not entirely sure it still doesn't have one, but we're hoping it doesn't. So we walked through it real quick, but it was a little interesting going through there because the chain on the front door was locked from the inside, and we didn't know if it's supposed to be like that or not. So of course, check out investformore.com for more information on my flips, rentals, all that good stuff. This neighborhood is not bad until you kind of look over at that house right there that literally has like 25 cars parked around it, in the yard, in the backyard. It goes all the way around. It's crazy. So I'm pretty sure some of those cars go with it as well. I don't know if the city allows that or there's a way to maybe, I don't know, turn them in slightly, but we'll see. A lot of times the city will have codes where you can only park a car on the street for so many days or for so long without it moving before it gets towed. So we'll look into that. All right, we bought this property for $255,000. It was from another agent. It wasn't listed, but that agent called me up, asked me if I was interested in a property that she is possibly going to be listing because it wasn't easy to show. Obviously, it may have had a squatter in it, and it needed some work. So we took a look at it, came to an agreement on a price. We still got paid a commission and didn't have to compete with anybody else. So that was very nice. And that's one of those things where if you do business the right way, often comes back to help you out later on. We've bought a couple of flips from that agent, always closed, never had an inspection, never had an issue. So that's kind of why she contacted us. So when we first looked at this house, this door was shut and there was somebody staying in here who was not supposed to be here. And from the landlord, it was an absentee owner kind of thing, I think. The landlord said they had rented the place to somebody. One of his friends moved in with him. The original tenant moved out, but his friend stayed here and would not leave. So they had to go through an eviction, or they're going to have to go through an eviction, but they said they came to an agreement, got the tenant out, and delivered it to us vacant. And today was our first time seeing it since then. And like I said, it was kind of weird. The door chain, which I'll show you here in a second, was locked, which gives me the inclination that maybe someone's been in here, but they said they rekeyed it. They said there's no way for him to get in, and we didn't really see any other way for him to get in, but you never know. And, you know, you look up there and it's like, that looks kind of weird. Is there someone hiding in there right now? I doubt it, but it's possible. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house. It actually looks much bigger from the outside than it is on the inside. Here's the other bedroom, which has a light, but no light bulbs. And it's kind of cool with all the beams and vaulted ceilings. It is an interesting house. It has all these windows in front. There's Nikki standing out there. She'll be annoyed because she's actually in a video for once. But here is the chain I was talking about. So we first, tried to unlock the front door, and that chain was on there. It's possible the seller did it, but it just makes you wonder if somebody else did who was in here. But the keys worked to the other doors, and we were able to get in there that way. Of course, it would make a really awesome video if someone jumped out at me right now, but I don't know if I'm up for that. Here's the kitchen. For repairs, obviously, we're going to replace this whole kitchen. It's got hardwood floors, which we can refinish. We'll paint everything. Needs a new roof, probably new doors. We'll do a little bit of bathroom work. And we'll probably spend $30,000 to $35,000 on it. And then the ARV after repaired value will probably be around $350,000. Yes, we are in Colorado. Things are expensive here. So not a horrible deal, especially since I'm earning a commission on the purchase price of $255,000. And we'll also have, probably another $20,000 of the costs for financing, carrying costs, a buyer's agent commission when we sell it. This used to be a garage, and they converted it to living space, and has the beams in here too, which I don't know if they added those, if they're already here. But this we will make into a third bedroom. So we'll, put real doors on it. Probably has that wall heater, but it sure would be nice to have maybe some electric baseboard heat instead. A little nicer looking, more efficient. The rest of the house has a furnace. And put flooring in here, have a big closet back here, so it will have a third bedroom, which will be nice. You can see here, the laundry room, and then you come out to the back. Patio area, crawl space right there. They left quite a bit of stuff for us, and that was in our contract. Just, hey, you can leave whatever you want, we'll take care of it. And a little room off here, which could be really good sized closet for that master bedroom. All right, the back, as you can see, has seen better days as well. And then one really nice feature which helps this property get to that $350 price range is this garage that was added on at some point. So it's kind of frustrating when they make a garage into living space, but if they add a giant garage on top of it, then it's not so bad. And this is, is it 600 and 700 square feet? So kind of a weird configuration where the doors come at an angle, but really good size. A lot of stuff to clean out, but be a huge selling point. And we could not remember if all this stuff was here or not when we saw it, but we shouldn't remember it. I don't know, they're doing some kind of grow thing or what all this is for, but obviously they really liked plants. All right. So that is the house, not much to it, no basement. We should be able to trash it out here pretty soon. We're in actually Loveland, Colorado, so we bought another one over here a couple weeks ago. Our guy is demoing out, so he can come right over here and work on this one too. And then we will have more coming up as well. Had another one we were supposed to buy last week, but it got delayed because the title company didn't get the payoff in time. And we'll have another one ready to list this week, which we'll show you as well. All right, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you want to see more of them. Thanks for watching. We'll have a lot more coming up soon.